Imagine a time when hope and fortune seemed to collide in the most unexpected way. In the 1970s, a peculiar idea took root in Florida. What if we could dispose of our old tires by tossing them into the ocean? It was believed that these discarded tires would create artificial reefs, attracting marine life and boosting local fishing. Sounds good, right? Well, it turned out to be a catastrophic miscalculation. Over 2 million tires were dumped into the waters off the coast of Florida, a decision driven by the promise of prosperity. The vision was clear: a thriving underwater ecosystem that would benefit both nature and the local economy. But what unfolded was a nightmare that no one could have anticipated. Instead of creating a vibrant reef, the tires began to float. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of sinking to the ocean floor, they bobbed on the surface, creating a bizarre and hazardous landscape. The tires became a breeding ground for invasive species, disrupting the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. Fish populations were affected, and the local fishing industry faced dire consequences. As time passed, the environmental impact became increasingly evident. The tires released harmful chemicals into the water, leaching toxins that threaten marine life and, ultimately, human health. The once clear waters of Florida became a murky reminder of a misguided attempt at innovation. What was meant to be a boon turned into a burden as the ecosystem struggled to cope with the influx of rubber. Efforts to remove the tires have been ongoing, but the task is monumental. Imagine trying to clean up 2 million tires from the ocean floor. It's not just about the physical removal, it's about restoring the habitat that was irrevocably damaged. The cost of cleanup runs into millions of dollars, and the ecological consequences are still being studied today. This tragic tale serves as a stark reminder of the unintended consequences of our actions. What seemed like a clever solution to a waste problem turned into an environmental disaster. It's a lesson in humility, reminding us that nature doesn't always respond the way we expect. As we look to the future, we must learn from this mistake. Sustainable practices and responsible waste management are crucial to preserving our oceans and the life within them. The story of the tires in Florida is not just about rubber and water. It's about our relationship with the environment and the choices we make. So, the next time you think about a quick fix for a problem, remember this tale. Sometimes, the road to fortune can lead us down a path of tragedy, and it's our responsibility to tread carefully.